To fix Google Photos not showing all photos on gallery, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end. If Google Photos isn't showing all of your photos from phone gallery, it usually means sync, backup or folder settings are misconfigured or it is not working. Now to fix it, make sure that your device is connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data. So if your device is not connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data, then the photo may also not be loaded on Google Photos, and that may also be the reason that it is not showing fully. So if your device is connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data, then you just need to open Google Photos and tap on the profile icon at the very top right, and from here you just need to click on the option of photo settings and click on the option of backup. And under backup, make sure that the backup is toggled on. So if that is off, then that may also be the reason that Google Photos is not showing all of the photos at once. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to close the Google Photos and you just need to re-open the app again, and by doing all of it you will be able to fix the issue on it. If that doesn't help, then you just need to open Play Store on your or App Store on your device and search for Google Photos like this and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is any kind of update available, simply update the app and make sure that it is to the latest version available, because that may also be the issue behind it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.